So my name's Adam Taylor, and I'm a FPGA engineer and an embedded electronics engineer. I've been doing this for 22 years now. It's one of the most rewarding careers I think that I could ever have undertaken, and it's been something that's really become a passion of mine, which has led to a number of things we do in the community, and we put out blogs and projects and things because of that passion that this career has inspired in me as an engineer. So I should actually, the name's quite an interesting name actually. The name's actually Eduvo. It's not, a lot of people, because my name's Adam, so a lot of people think that it's based around my name, but it's actually not. It's actually a Latin word which means to help, aid and assist. And I think that actually sort of embodies everything we try to do as a company, not only with our clients, but with the content that we put out there for free. Is really what we really, because we're so passionate about FPGAs, what we want to do is to help, aid and assist you to be able to do better FPGA designs or assist you in areas where you might have issues or hit pain points. We've been going since 2014, December 2014, and it all came from a blog I wrote. So around 2010 I started writing content about how FPGAs can be designed and how we can work with them. That took a step change in sort of 2012, 2013, and it led to me forming this company, and obviously writing this content, putting this out there, led to people asking me to do some work for them, do some FPGA design, and I did that, like many people do. And over the time it grew, and you have to make that decision as do you want to stay working with the sort of the professional job, or do you go and take a risk and do what your passion really is, which is quite obvious for me, it's FPGAs. So that's what I did, and we started doing this full time. There's a large element of the company that is very much based around putting content out there and helping people. And I think this week the 405th blog of that goes live. So we've written a blog about how to use FPGAs and how to design for FPGAs once a week since 2013, which has been quite considerable. And it's been quite interesting because not only has it sort of chronicled the journey of Eduvo and I guess of Adam Taylor at some point, but it's chronicled a very interesting 10 years in the FPGA development as we've gone from the beginning of introduction of system on chips to where we are now, with a much more mature, much more capable, much more exciting offering that we see. We also, as well as putting the blogs out, we also put out a lot of we run some free training courses and free webinars online. So every quarter we try to put at least a 2-hour sort of training session out online that people can come to and attend and do live, or if they can't because they're busy and busy lives or in the wrong time zone or something, then it's all available online after. And we also put out a lot of very detailed step-by-step projects, whereas a blog might look at maybe 500 to 1,000 words talking about a concept or something like that. We'll put out projects that show exact detailed steps of how to go away and recreate something from scratch as well. And we try to do those regularly also, and that we think pushes out into the community and really helps, it helps people to use and to learn how to use FPGAs, and it helps grow that community of people and of followers and people that we want to interact with. So the aspiration at Eduvo really tracks back to what's at the core of the company, and that is that we want to be seen as one of the world-leading experts in the development of FPGA and embedded system solutions. And that follows through, the entire heart of the company via the blogs, the publicity, the public-facing material that we put out, the free training courses, and that's very much our aspiration, is that our partners recognise that expertise, that knowledge, and that we can help them leverage that knowledge to benefit them.